What's up guys, and Samsung just made the Galaxy A50s and A30s official. So both these are huge upgrade both in terms of design and cameras. Okay, so I'm gonna be quick with this one. The Galaxy A30s features 6.4 inches HD Plus panel, which is okayish. I mean, I was expecting the full HD panel. Has Exynos 7904, 3 gigs of RAM and 4 gigs of RAM and 32/64/128 gigs of internal storage. So you are getting many options right there. Now what's new is that you are getting an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is impressive. There is new cameras, 25 megapixel f1.7 primary lens, 5 megapixel depth camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is impressive, and I hope the camera performance is also amazing. So yes, basically a huge upgrade towards the design and cameras, however a huge downgrade in resolution. Now I don't know the exact pricing, but it should be $200, that is 12 to 13,000 Indian rupees around. Yes, it's gonna compete against the Mi A3 for sure. And now comes the best selling phone, Galaxy A50's successor, the Samsung Galaxy A50s. Okay, so you are getting 6.4 inches full HD Plus panel, that is Super AMOLED, so nice. Exynos 9610 SoC, which is based on 10nm process. It's on par with the Snapdragon 675. Thumbs up for this one as well. 4/6 gigs of RAM and 64/128 gigs of internal storage. And now comes a huge upgrade in terms of cameras, that is 48 megapixel f2.0 aperture that can take amazing images of resolution 6000 by 8000, 5 megapixel depth camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Also the selfie camera has been upgraded from 25 to 32, and yeah, there is a slight better in-display fingerprint sensor, small chain in terms of design and gorgeous back panel. So both these phones have prism crystal design, which is sort of diamond design, I would say. The 4 color options: crush black, crush white, crush green and crush violet. The green looks amazing in my opinion, and the A50 should be priced around $300, that is 18 to 19,000 Indian rupees. And that was a surprise launch. I mean, I was expecting it to be announced in October or September, but that was great. Now my opinions, both of them are nice package if priced right. The Galaxy A30s has disappointing resolution, but at the same time in-display fingerprint sensor and better cameras. The A50 on the other hand is definitely an upgrade in terms of cameras and is going to replace A50 for sure. I mean, if you're planning to purchase the Galaxy A50, just wait for a few days. The A50s is arriving in your market really soon. So your thoughts in the comment section, like, subscribe and please turn on the notifications for the latest news. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.